Okay, students, it's time to practice our underhand throw. While we're at home, you will need 2 sock balls and you will need a target that you will be underhand throwing toward. The teacher will demonstrate how to properly underhand throw. Use your dominant hand when performing an underhand throw. Face your target and don't forget that your arm should be moving in a tick-tock motion. This is a side view of an underhand throw. Tick, arm goes back. Tock, arm swings forward. Okay, students, now it's time that we practice our underhand throw. You should have 1 big target and 2 sock balls ready. Let's do it. You are going to complete 10 practice throws at your big target. How many times can you get the sock ball on target? You may begin your 10 practice underhand throws.